Hello sports fans, welcome to RVing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck. That is Ninja, and we're going to do a little campfire, burn some trash, and get the campfire pit set up. But first, I'm going to be taking care of a nightmare. So I'm going to put up my shelf in the bedroom slide out area to get a lot of this little junk that I keep in my bedroom off the bed. Here we go. Let me show you the results. All right, with 2 simple screws, I got my shelf up. So there's my bed. My nightmare is over. Loving it. As you can see, rocks need to be rearranged. I got the trash ready to go. It's about 30 minutes to sunset. She's enjoying the last bit of sun. Well, dug out the hole, got rid of some trash, picked up some trash, at least cardboard stuff, paper stuff, and put in some wood, straw, twigs, and hopefully this will catch. And of course, Ninja's got to scope out the area and hopefully check my engine for any mice. She just wants to get as high as she possibly can. Well, I got one piece of good wood on top, but this is mostly just to get the fire pit set up and get some trash burned. We'll be getting rid of this stuff in a minute. I just had to come back to this. Again, she'd be on the RV roof if she could get up there. Crazy. Beautiful night, about 70 degrees. Get those mouse. Get those mice. I call them mousies. Get the mousies. I know that's not grammatically correct, but that's what I call them. So, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, please smash that thumbs up button. It's free. And if you haven't subscribed and like to see more videos like this and my RV life journey with Ninja the martial arts cat, please subscribe. From Ninja and I, we bid you adieu. Be positive, be nice, be active.